Do you have multiple children who does not do their chores? Well, this whiteboard eraser that comes with an eraser and magnetics and also the dry erase markers. It comes with 4 of these, which I love. It comes with blue, pink, gray, and green. And it does have an eraser on the top, which is pretty cool. I love how this is double-sided. The one is very blank and the other one is of course the calendar, which I was looking for. The knobs on the side can turn to lock and unlock, and it does stand pretty sturdy. This is how the side looks like. See, as you can see, this holds it up very nicely without it wobbling, which I love. And it also does have a hanging thingy-mabobs on the top if you decide to hang it on the wall, which I will not do. But here is the marker. It writes very well and it's very smooth. And look at this fast forwarded numbering. Isn't that awesome? Anyways, the markers are also magnetic, so you can plop them there, or actually you can plop them in the back, and it's way neater this way. It's not on a table, it's not all over the place, it's just hidden in the back if you're not using the other side. This is how it looks like in the beginning of the month and after. Ooh, doesn't that look cool? And this is how it erases. It erases pretty good, but I still prefer to have a wet rag at the end to clean it off.